Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Toán học toán. Wish you have a nice day with full happiness. Today we start the lessons with subjects Learning English Mathematics. This for all the children's level 6, especially for the Vietnamese children who want to improve their English Mathematics. I'm very happy when you subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Today we start the examinations 1. You have a 10 exercise have to do. After finish on the exercise, you can follow the guide solution from this channel, and then you find out the missing knowledge that you can improve. Now you start doing your exercise. You have a 10 exercise. Exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. When you finish all the exercise, now you can watch the guide solution from this video, and you can find out the missing knowledge that you can improve. Now we start watching the solution. Exercise 1. What is 40% of 70? How we do? The answer is 40% of 70 is. We only replace this quote of by the calculations multiply. You see, we replace the words of by the calculations multiply. And here 40%. This is the other way of writing 40 over 100 multiply 70. So you have a 20, 1 here and 1 here, 20 on the numerator, and you also have a 20 on the denominator, so you delete, and then now you only have a 4 multiplied with 7. So the answer is 28. Now we go to the exercise number 2. Express 75% as a decimal. So we do the same way with the exercise 1. The answer is 75%. We write the other way up this way. 75 over 100, because we have 20 here, and so we counting from the right to the left, also 2 number 1, 2, and then we put 1 here, so the answer is 0175. Now we go to the exercise 3. Express 21 over 2a as a percentage. How do we solve the exercise? So the answer is we multiply these fractions with 1. Because any number, when we multiply with 1, it is the equals with itself. But the number 1 is we write 100%. This is number 1. And now we only do this calculations range here. And after we have the result, we put the percentage in the backside, and then we have the results 75%. Now we go to do exercise 4. A club has 125 members. On a certain day, 25 of the members were absent. Find the percentage of the members who were present on that day. To solve for this exercise, we have two ways to do. Now I show you the first way. You have 25 of the members were absent. You can find out the percentage of the members who were absent by 25 over 125 and then multiply with 100%, and then you have the percentage of the members who were absent. After that, we take 100% subtractions for the percentage of the member who were absent, and then we have the percentage of the member who were present on that day. So the answer is the percentage of the member who were present on that day is we take 100% subtractions for the percentage of the member who were absent. And the percentage of the member who was absent, you can find out by the number show how many members were absent divided for the total of the member and multiply with 100%. And then this is 100%, and this one you calculate 20%. And then the result is 80%. This is the first way you can find the percentage of the member who were present on that day. The second way, first you find how many members were present. That you take 125 subtraction for 25, and you have 100 members who were present on the day. And then the percentage of the member who were present there, you can find by the member were present, divide the total of the member and multiply with 100%, and then you have it. This is the member who was present on that day. This is the total of the member, and you take the member present on the day, divide for the total of the member and multiply with 100%, and then you have the percentage of the member who were present on the day. This is two ways to resolve for this exercise, and we have the same result. Now we go to the exercise 5. Line assessment. AP is 6 cm long. Point M is the midpoint of the line segment AP. Calculate MA. The answer is you have to the image of the line segments AP 6 cm, and then You have the point M is the midpoint of the line segments AP. And then you answer MA equal MB equals the half of AP. And AP is 6 centimeter, so the half of AP is half of 6 is 3 centimeter. Now we go to the exercise 6. Linh deposits 1 million Vietnam dong in a bank. The bank pays 6% interest per year. How much money would she have in the bank after 1 year? So the answer is E. After 1 year, she have the money including the deposits 1 million and the interest. This is the deposit and this is the interest. How you find the interest? The interest, you take 6% multiply with the deposit. This is the interest. And you have the money she have. This is the deposit 1 million and the interest is 60,000. So the total is 1 million and 60,000 Vietnam dong. You also have the other way, calculate like this. 1 million multiplied with 106 percentage, and you also have the same result, 1 million and 60,000 Vietnam dong. We go to the exercise 7. A Kuiper tank whose size is 70 centimeter. The height of the water levels in the container is 40 centimeter. How many more liters of water are required to fill up the tank completely? So the answer is E. So in this exercise you have to remember a Kuiper, they have the same size. The length, the width and the height is the same, 70 centimeter. Now they put the water 40 centimeter and they need the water here to fill up the tank. So you have to find out the volume of the water here, and this here is not the Kuiper, it is the other side. The length is 70 and the width here is also 70, but the height not 70, it is 30. You take 70 centimeter, you subtraction for 40, and here the height of the water you have to fill only 30. And so the answer is E. The volume of the water in the tank here is you take the length multiply with the width and multiply with the height. And remember the height now is not 70, it is only 30 centimeter. And you have the result 147,000 centimeter Kuiper. But this is not the result. The answer they ask the liter of water, so this is not the liter, then you have to change. 147,000 centimeter Kuiper is 147 centimeter Kuiper. We go to exercise A. The garden has 75 trees including orange, apple, lemons and mango. 1/3 is orange, 2/5 is apple, 3/5 to find 3 lemons, how many mango trees does the garden have? So you have to find how many trees orange. The calculator is 1 over 12 multiplied with 75, and you have the 3 orange. The same way you can find the 3 apple and the 3 lemon, and after that you can find the 3 mango by 75 subtractions for the orange, the apple, the lemon tree, and then you have the result. So the answer is, now you have to find the 3 orange. You take 1 over 12 multiply with 75, and you have a 25 orange tree. And then you do the same way with the apple tree. You take 2 over 5 multiply with 75, you have a 33 apple. And the lemon tree is 3 over 25 multiplied with 75, and you have a 9 lemon tree. Now the last is the mango tree. You take 75 tree, subtraction for on the tree, including orange, apple, and lemon. You have a 11 mango tree. Now we go to the exercise 9. Find digits in the place of sign star, such that 6 for star is divisible by 5. The answer is 6 for star divisible by 5. It happens when the last number here is 0 or 5. Then you have a 6 for 0 divisible 5, and 6 for 5 is divisible by 5. Now we go to the exercise 10. The average weight of 3 girls is 48.15 kg. The average weight of 2 boys is 64.2 kg. What is the average weight of all the children? So you have to find the total of the weight of 3 girls and the total of the weight of 2 boys, and the total the weight of 5 people here. And after that you divide for 5, and then you have the average weight of all the children. So the answer is, the average weight of all the children is, here you have the total weight of 3 girls, the total weight of 2 boys, and on here is the total weight of 5 children. And after that you divide for 5, and you have the result is 54.78 kg. It is the average weight of all the children. We have just finished the examinations 1 with 10 exercise. I hope after doing 10 exercise you can find out for yourself some knowledge to improve your mathematics. Please come to my channel to improve your mathematics every day. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have a successful in your study. See you in the next lessons. Goodbye.